Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm stephstorm, and this is BrainSTORM, a place where we share creative ideas for event planning, lifestyle, and home decor. Today, I'm super excited to start a new video series called Entertaining at Home. Most of us right now are working from home, doing schooling from home, just everything from home. But I'm going to show you some creative ways that you can party at home too. In this series, we're going to cover everything from concept to execution, including themed ideas for date nights, children's activities, even occasions for my single friends to treat themselves. So, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so that you won't miss a single video. And now, let's kick this series off with our royal tea for three. But first, let's decorate. I'm starting by giving these thrifted items a refresh. I may not use everything that you see here for this afternoon tea, but whatever I don't use, I'll store it for a future event. These are some of the basic serving and decor pieces needed. I was so happy to find this 3-tiered tray and a plate rack for such a steal. As you can see, these pieces are not very expensive. In fact, way less than you would pay if you were to buy disposable trays and things that you would only use once or twice. So, for about $17, I got all of this that I can use for many occasions to come. You'll see too that the 3-tiered tray is just a bit wobbly, but I know I have something around here that I can use to stabilize it. No problem, we'll make it work. After giving everything a really good cleaning, I took it all outside to spray paint it gold. I think the pieces turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think. Then I wanted to spruce up these frames with a fresh coat of white paint. Now for the star of the show. I have this cute little teapot that was gifted to me by my good friend Margot. Actually, she gave me the entire tea service that you will see in the reveal. Since the teapot was plain, I thought I'd embellish it some to coordinate even more with the rest of the set. I can't wait to see what she thinks when she sees this video. I have these tea party stickers from Dollar Tree. Well, I thought they were stickers, but they're really rub-on transfers. That's even better. Also from Dollar Tree are these gold gem strips that already have adhesive on them. They worked perfectly. And to finish, I sealed the painted areas with a clear polyacrylic. Man, these things were super sticky. Originally, I wanted to have this afternoon tea outside as a garden theme party, but it had been raining for 3 days straight. As an event planner, we always have to have a plan B, so I moved the setup inside to another room of my home. My mother and daughter both live with us, so I've decided to invite them to be my guests. And even though we're entertaining at home, we still get dressed for the occasion. I'm using this folding table as a base. We cut some wood into a circle to use as a tabletop. This way I can store it away flat under a bed when not in use. Now I want to show you what's on the menu. Since I spray painted this 3-tier tray, I cannot place food directly onto the tray. So I'm using these doilies that I got from the Dollar Tree. One pack comes with 32 doilies in assorted sizes. I simply find the center and slice one side of it to fit onto each tier. Afternoon tea is different from high tea. Afternoon tea is usually served between 3 to 5 p.m. Traditionally, it features sandwiches, biscuits with clotted cream and jam, scones and other pastries, along with some sweet treats. High tea, on the other hand, is more hearty, with only savory items on the menu. But since we're at home, we can have whatever we want. My first finger sandwich is an egg salad sandwich. It's a very simple recipe of boiled eggs, relish, mayo, mustard, and onion. The key is to chop everything really small so as not to have large chunks oozing out of the sandwich. The nice thing about an intimate afternoon tea is that you don't need a lot of food, but you can enjoy a wide variety. You can even splurge on a few specialty treats because it's only for a small party. Next, we have my absolute favorite, the smoked salmon and capers sandwich. When making finger sandwiches, the bread should be very soft. Traditionally, white bread, rye, or pumpernickel is used. Today, I'm using my favorite, which is potato bread. Spread the ingredients thin. Cut off the crust, and either slice the sandwich into thirds or triangles. And of course, the famous cucumber sandwich with fresh dill. When entertaining at home, never pressure yourself into feeling like you have to make everything homemade. I bought these caramel apple scones from my local supermarket bakery. You don't want to be so exhausted from cooking and baking that you can't even enjoy the party. Your guests will appreciate all the other extra special touches that you've put into the presentation. Well, guys, I better get dressed now. It's almost tea time. Before I put the food out, come on in and let me show you around. And now let's enjoy our mother-daughter afternoon tea for three. Proper tea etiquette is to have your finger sandwiches first, starting on the bottom tier, and then work your way up to the top tier with your sweets. The hostess always pours tea for the guests, no matter how many refills they'd like. Always look into your cup while you sip, without raising your eyes up while you're drinking. When adding sugar, never stir in circles. Always push from 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock until the sugar is dissolved. If you're enjoying this video and getting some good ideas on how you can host an afternoon tea at home with your family, now is a good time to scroll down and press the like button. What makes an afternoon tea become a royal tea is not the wearing of crowns, but the serving of wine or champagne with dessert. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you. You only need to subscribe once. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I upload new videos weekly. And remember, there's no need to wait for a special occasion. Make every occasion special. I'm StephStorm, and you'll see me next time.